Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my last cleaning video in this house because the new owners are taking over in a couple of days. So this video is going to be a deep clean of the kitchen. I've got to get the cabinets all cleaned. I have to clean out the fridge and basically just make everything sparkling clean. Hey guys, so I'm here at the house. We are just a couple of days away from the closing date. So I've got my gloves on. I'm gonna be wiping out all the kitchen cabinets and whatever else I can get done today. So today is mostly washing floors and wiping cabinets, counters, making everything look nice and tidy and squeaky clean. Someone's calling me for the people that are moving in. So I'm gonna go start working in the kitchen on the rest of the cabinets. So I'm gonna film some of this for you guys. Alright, so if you saw my last video that I posted, we were cleaning out all of the kitchen cabinets and basically decluttering and sorting all of that stuff. So if you're looking for a decluttering video, make sure you guys check out my last video. But in this one, we are going to be wiping out all of the cabinets now. So I've got my gloves on because there's going to be a lot of cleaner use, and I've got my Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, I've got paper towels, I've got everything I need all ready to go to get these cabinets cleaned. Now this kitchen is really big, so there's a lot of cabinet space to clean out, so it's gonna take some time. But anyways, I'm starting with this bank of cabinets over here. I'm just using my Method spray cleaner. Honestly, everything is just kind of all over the place. I've got a few bottles of cleaner here and there. We basically took everything to town already to the new house. So I think this is bathroom cleaner, but you know what? It works perfectly fine for the cabinets. So I'm using that along with some water. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Amanda and I post videos on cleaning motivation and just basically house and home stuff. And we are building a new house this summer, which I will be filming and basically taking you guys along with me on that journey. So make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate the support, and also click your little notification bells there so you guys get notified when I post new videos. So one thing about white kitchen cabinets is they get dirty really quickly. You see every little spot. But that being said, I've had white cabinets here and I've had white cabinets at the other house, the one where I had the brown island, and I still would go with white again. I had, like I said, I had the brown stained wood island. It was maple wood, and honestly you could still see flour and splash marks on there as well. So honestly, I'm not quite sure that one is better than the other. I still think that for the next house we will be using white, but I'm still considering an accent color for the island, so we'll get to that point still. Anyways, as you can see here, I am cleaning out the fridge. There really wasn't that much left in here because I took most of the food that we were going to be using to the rental house already. So there's just some condiments here and things like that, some pickles and, you know, just random stuff. So I'm getting all of that out of here. Anything that we are keeping, I'm putting into bags, and that's going to go to town. And I did just clean the fridge out, like not deep clean, but I did like declutter the fridge a couple of weeks ago. So most of the stuff is good, but there will be a few things that I'm still going to throw away. So I'm using paper towel. I'm swearing it down. I'm spraying it down so that I can just get everything wiped out. You don't want to leave any kind of crumbs or yuckiness in there for the new owners. As you can see here on the freezer side, it is disgusting. I think one of the kids put a pop in here, like a soda. I think it was Coke or Pepsi or something like that. But anyways, and they forgot about it. So you know what happens when you forget about a soda in the freezer? It explodes. So that's what I'm cleaning right now. It's hard to wipe things in the freezer because as soon as you spray with the spray bottle, it freezes up again. So I'm trying to use hot water and I'm wiping as fast as I can before it has a chance to freeze.
And anything that is too sticky and grimy to just wipe with a paper towel, I'm just washing actually in the kitchen sink here with some hot water. This sprayer faucet is fantastic because you can just use the handle and spray what you need to, and I like how it has the stream or the spray option. I'm definitely going to miss that because the rental house just has a plain Jane sink faucet, and I'm used to having this, which was really great for cleaning. And unfortunately, I can't take this part of the fridge off and stick it in the sink to spray down, so I just have to use my spray bottle and wet this down as much as possible so that I can loosen the grime and then wipe that up with the paper towel. So I'm gonna have to go over this a few times because it is really quite nasty. So yeah, this is a fun part. I'm curious, how often do you guys deep clean your fridge and freezer? Or either or, because I know I deep clean the fridge more often than I deep clean the freezer. If I'm being totally honest, I haven't deep cleaned this freezer since we moved out of the last house. So it wasn't really that gross. Like the soda spray on the side there wasn't that long ago. It was actually quite tidy, the freezer, for the longest time, other than that yucky part with the soda all over the place. But anyways, yeah, just wondering, how often do you do your deep cleaning on your freezer and on your fridge? Let me know in the comments down below. You guys, I cannot tell you how happy I am that this part of the journey anyways, is almost over. I am exhausted. Like, I look like a bum. I have no makeup on. My hair is just up in a messy bun. I'm just wearing whatever for clothes. I can barely find any of my stuff in the new rental place because I've had no time to unpack. So it's just kind of like survival mode right now, and I cannot wait to get organized again and just be a regular person and not feel like I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants. So while I am cleaning the fridge out over here, Jeff is doing some touch-ups to the paint and the baseboards, making sure everything is nice and fresh and tidy for the new owners. I'm going to need some more paper towel here. It's using a lot of paper towel to get this freezer and fridge cleaned out because it's quite sticky and grimy. All right, so we're getting to the point where I can start putting the racks back in the freezer here. The freezer is finally done, thank goodness, because that was pretty gross. And then I just have a little bit left to wipe in the fridge on the one little shelf there. So here we are putting everything back together in the fridge, and yay, I don't have to put any food back in here. So I'm just leaving it empty and ready to go for the new people who come in. So I still have some more cabinets to wipe. This here is like a dried on grease stain. Like, you know, when you have oil from I don't know, like a jug of oil, and then it sits for a while and then it just like cakes in there. That is so hard to wipe. The magic eraser does the trick, but it's also shedding some pieces from the magic eraser, so it is such a pain. I think in the new house I'm going to get some cabinet liners to protect the cabinets so that this doesn't happen.
What you putting in, all your hopes and efforts.
While I finish up with the kitchen cabinets here, Jeff is going into the laundry room. There is still some laundry in the dryer we forgot to take into town, and some stuff in the washing machine that I'm just going to take straight into town and finish that up at the rental house. And here are the keys for the new owners. I'm going to set that aside, and that's going to be taken to the lawyer's office so that they can have access to their new home. And wouldn't you know it, I totally forgot about one other cabinet on the side of the kitchen. So that didn't get cleaned out. So I just took everything out of the cabinet, put it up here on this bank of cabinets. And most of it I'm just going to throw away because honestly, I don't want to deal with it unless it's important or sentimental. It's going in the garbage. I have no time to be taking it to donation. I don't mean to be wasteful, but it's been a chaotic journey and I am just ready for this all to go away.
Ooh, happiness requires work every day.
Alright, so the kitchen cabinets are all done other than the one that Jeff is working on right now. Then the next step is going to be getting all the clutter off of the kitchen counters and wiping it down. But first I'm just going to head over into this bedroom. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this bedroom before, but it is a bedroom on the main floor. I'm just going to go ahead and wash the floors in here right now. It has all been cleaned out. This is the last step in this bedroom, and this is going to make the floor nice and sparkling clean because I am using the Great Value Walmart brand wood floor cleaner. It is fantastic. I highly recommend it. Everybody that I've recommended it to said it leaves their floors sparkling clean. And here I am just washing the laundry room floors. Everything has been cleaned out here as well, so I'm just getting that all cleaned up. And actually that little doorway there in the laundry room, that's the doorway to the bedroom that I just washed the floors in. But actually my next video is going to be an empty house tour, so if you guys are curious about the layout of this whole house, I've never shown you all before, I will be showing you in my next video in that house tour. So we are in the final stages of getting this kitchen cleaned up. I'm just using my broom because there's a lot of big chunks on the floor from just wiping things out and stuff like that. It's better than using the vacuum because I don't want to plug up my vacuum. So I'm just sweeping that all up, wiping off the island here, and then I will be ready to wash the floors. Here there is a sticky spot, so I'm using my good old trick here. I'm just pressing down with my foot on the bottom of the mop just to give it some more pressure. Jeff is just finishing up in the living room here. He's just getting some of those last crumbs cleaned up. He's vacuuming out those cabinets, and we just need to vacuum up some crumbs here from the fireplace. And then this room is pretty much all done. Okay guys, so that is it. The kitchen is perfectly clean and ready for the new owners. It is so tidy and sparkling clean. I just love it. So I just have some paintings over there that I need to transport back into town safely. I've got just a bunch of junk over here. I actually wanted to film this for you guys, but I was running out of storage. It's just a few pieces of, junk by the front door that's going to go into town. So that's really nothing exciting to film anyhow. But yeah, that is it. That is my last cleaning video in this house. I'm going to miss it here. A lot of great memories, but I am happy to see it go and move on to our next part of our journey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.